Keep it to yourself. Feeling some pushback on your great big goals? Maybe it's time to forge ahead alone for a bit. For years, experts have touted the benefits of using others to keep one accountable when attempting to accomplish something grand. Sadly, this is not always practical. Occasionally, you're going to come across people who aren't as pleased with your plans as you'd like them to be. For example, you might be working on quitting smoking, but you're discovering the buddies you smoke with at work aren't pleased with your progress. Of course, they have their own issues. Maybe you remind them of their failed attempts to quit. In truth, a lot of this stems from the abandonment they're feeling because you're no longer smoking with them, none of which helps you in your goal. When this happens, it's sometimes better to just work on your own for a while. Don't say a word about what you're doing. Instead, let the results speak for themselves. Whatever protests the naysayers would have voiced means nothing when you're presenting them with the end product.